Okay, now let us see here. Okay, just now I had started recording. Just I will repeat the points so that way these points can be recorded. So we are dealing about the torsional pendulum. So before seeing about torsional pendulum, we need to refer to the previous concept, twisting couple. So now there we had started with a cylinder, okay, and on the cylinder we are applying the forces, two equal and opposite forces, nothing but a couple. Now due to that, there will be the angular displacement, okay, and there in the previous topic we had seen about the displacement and the corresponding concept, and here this is the angle of twist, so that was given in the form of phi here, okay, depending on the triangles, okay, and these angles you got some derivative part that we had seen in the previous concept, and the resultant expression for the twisting couple we got this as c equals to pi eta r power 4 by 2l. So here what is r here? R is the radius of the cylinder or a wire here, okay. Next, what is l here? L is the length of the wire or a cylinder, whatever you are considering, okay. Now here what is eta? Eta is the rigidity modulus, okay. Now depending on that we are extending, and we had entered the topic torsional pendulum, and the torsional pendulum, here we are going to see two parts. One is about the theory of this and the application part. So now we are going to see about the theory part first, and thereafter we are going to see about the applications in the next class. Okay, now here where we had started, you are going to take a material, okay. Now the material means the examples here I had wrote as iron, some steel, brass and copper. You can take any one of the material, and this material will be in the form of wire. You should take the material in the form of wire here, okay. Now this is a wire between these 2 points, okay, between these 2 points this is a wire here. Now the wire length is L, so L is the length of the wire here, okay. Now consider that radius of this wire, radius of the wire as R, okay. Take the same concept that was explained in the previous concept, okay. Now here what we are going to do, the one end of the wire has been fixed, okay. This is at the fixed state, and at the second end you are going to fix one of the material. So either the material can be in the form of disc or else some rectangular cylinder, whatever it may be, okay. So in this concept we are taking a disc here, okay. This is a metallic disc, it is a metallic disc, okay, made of metal here. Now again you consider this disc will be having a mass, take mass of the disc, okay, as m. Next, radius of the disc as capital R, okay. Now these are the physical factors regarding the disc which was hanged at the bottom end of the wire. Now what we had explained here, we are going to apply a torque or nothing but here a couple of forces, so which are equal and opposite, and due to this what happens, this disc is going to react in the form of a twist in the wire, okay. The wire will get twisted, and thereafter what we had explained, you will remove the forces, you are going to remove the forces. Now after removal of the forces, okay, this wire which was twisted, due to the concept of elasticity, this material will try to come back to the equilibrium position. The wire will try to come back to the original position. Meanwhile, as a disc is there at the bottom, this will achieve the acceleration, okay, due to the elasticity of the material. Now this disc will not come back exactly to the equilibrium position, it will move in the other direction also, and due to this what happens, the wire will now get experienced a twist in the opposite direction also. Now again, due to the property of velocity, this material will try to come back to the equilibrium position. But again, the concept will be repeated here. So this process will continue, and as a result, what you are expecting? You are going to expect the screen is not visible. Any other member facing the same problem? Someone said screen is not visible. Now okay. So now as a result, what we had explained here, okay, it is visible. Okay. So as a result, we are going to expect the oscillations here. Okay, the continuous process is going on, and these are known as the oscillations here. And these oscillations, we are considering it as the torsional oscillations. And this pendulum is known as the torsional pendulum. Due to these oscillations, we are considering it as a torsional pendulum. Now we are going to expect the second important point. Okay, so this was only about the oscillations up to this part. Now we are going to get the expressions here. 174 not visible. Okay, anyone is facing the same problem? Someone is said 141 said it is visible. Are you getting the same problem? Okay, 141, are you getting the screen or not? Earlier you said it is visible. Okay, I am waiting for your reply. 174 said it is not visible. Okay, 103 said visible. Okay, it is visible. Okay. Now let us continue here. So now let us see few new equations here. Just I am changing these equations. Okay. Now I will take the concept of kinetic energy and the potential energy here. So here the kinetic energy, I am going to give the equation in the form of moment of inertia. Okay. So the moment of inertia is related to the disk. So as the disk is going to experience the acceleration, okay, now we are going to give the expression here. I am going to change the expression here. So instead of k that I wrote here, now I am going to give the expression in terms of inertia, moment of inertia. Now kinetic energy is related to the disk here. Okay. Now kinetic energy, I am writing it as Ke, which is equals to half I. Now can you expect what is the angular velocity? Can you expect what is the representation here, angular velocity? You might have seen some angular velocity. If there is some acceleration, if there is some object is moving in this direction in a straight line, we will consider it as a linear velocity. Okay, linear velocity is given as v, but here this particular disk is going to experience the acceleration in oscillations. It is moving around the axis here, axis of wire. Okay, so here what you can expect, here there will be the angular velocity. So instead of v, we are going to take this as omega. Okay, there will be the representation here, angular velocity here as omega. Now here the kinetic energy is given as half I omega square. Okay, half I omega square. Now what is actually velocity? Velocity can be given as dx by dt. Okay, this is regarding the linear displacement here. Okay, and the linear velocity. Now regarding this, you are going to take here the theta. Okay, angular displacement theta. Now here the omega can be given as d theta by dt. Okay, so here dx by dt we are considering regarding linear velocity. Now here we are going to replace x as theta. Okay, so angular displacement. Theta is known as the angular displacement. Angular displacement. Okay, so now the kinetic energy is given in terms of moment of inertia and the angular velocity here. Okay, now the potential energy I am writing this as PE. I am going to give the equation as C theta. Again here there will be a square here. So these are new equations that you might had not seen in your intermediate. Okay, so now here these are the two energies. Now the sum of these two is the total energy. You are going to get the total energy. Total energy is nothing but Ke plus Pe. Okay, this can be given as half I omega square plus half C theta square. Okay, now this is the total energy we are getting in this system here, the entire torsional pendulum. Now here taking the law, okay, law of conservation of energy. Conservation of energy. Okay. Now conservation means the value will remain constant. Okay. So according to law of conservation of energy, the total energy is constant. Total energy, okay, remains constant. It will be remains constant. So now what is the thing here? The total energy is this. This is the total energy. Okay. Now this is going to be a constant here. So what is that? Half I omega square plus half C theta square will remain as constant depending on the law of conservation of energy. Okay. Now let us differentiate here. Let us differentiate the above equation here, this particular entire equation with respect to time. Okay, with the time period as t here. Okay, now you refer to this as the left hand side, this as the left hand side, this as the right hand side. So this side is a constant. It is a constant. Now if you differentiate this one, what happens? Okay, this is going to give a 0. Constant cannot be differentiated, then you are going to get this as 0. Okay, so now here let us see what is the differentiation here. You will get here half I. Okay, now here omega, what actually omega is? Omega is given as d theta by dt. Okay, so angular displacement. So now you take that, so here you take that equation. So omega square means this is d square, sorry, d theta by dt whole square. Now here d by dt of omega square will be equal to what? It will be 2 omega, okay, into d omega by dt. Okay, this will be the thing. Now here what you are going to get? 2 d theta by dt. Okay, omega, instead of omega it is this. Okay, so again this is 2 d theta by dt, and here d by dt of d theta by dt. Okay, then what happens here? It will be 2 into dt here, and here this will be d square theta by dt square. Okay, now here the same thing here, d square theta by dt plus half, again the same thing here, half c, and here you are going to get 2 theta d theta by dt. This will be equal to 0 because constant, the differentiation of constant will give a 0 here. This is going to give a 0. Now take out the common factors. Take out the common factors here. So what is the common factor here? This is a common factor. This is going to be the common factor. So you cancel here 2 and here 2 and cancel 2 and 2 and take out the common factor. So what you can write, I d square theta by dt, okay, plus c theta, and the common factor is d theta by dt. This is going to be 0 here, this side as it is. Now you remove this one, okay, take out this, and the result I am going to rearrange the equation here as a differential equation, second order differential equation. I am going to write this as c by I theta. This is going to be equal to 0 here. Okay, so now here we are going to consider this factor as omega square. Okay, now here what you can write, I am writing the expression as d square theta by dt square plus omega square theta equal to 0. So this is a differential equation of second order. So where we had considered omega square equals to c by I. Nothing but omega can be given as root of c by I. Okay. Now this is the second order differentiation. I mean the differential equation here you got, and from here we are going to take the time period of oscillations. Time period of oscillations. So how can you get the time period? Refer to the expression. Omega can be given as 2 pi by t. Okay. Now t can be given as 2 pi by omega. Okay. Now you substitute this omega here. Then what is the expression here? 2 pi by root of c by I. Okay. This you can write this as 2 pi root I by c. Okay. So what is this expression here? You got the expression for the time period of oscillation. Now previously you got C, the expression for C. C was given as pi eta r power 4 by 2L. Okay, this was the expression for twisting couple per unit twist. Okay, now you substitute the value of C in this expression. You substitute here. Okay, then what is the resultant equation? T equals to 2 pi root I by, okay, so here pi eta r power 4 by 2L. Okay, now you rearrange this, you will get this as 2 pi root I into, you can write 2 here and L here by pi eta r power 4. Okay, now here if you want to remove the root here, what you can do, you can take t square to remove the root. Okay, you square on both sides. Okay, square on both sides. Okay, squaring on both sides, you take squaring on both sides, squaring. Now t square equals to 4 pi square, so root will not be there now, into 2 I L by pi eta r power 4. So this is going to give the resultant equation now. So you cancel the factors, so pi and square. Okay, and here what is the expression here? T square equals to 8 I L by eta r power 4. Now here from this we are going to give the resultant expression. Okay, now let us see the resultant equation here. So I'm rewriting the equation. T square equals to 8IL by eta r power 4. Now the expression for the rigidity modulus can be given as 8IL by T square r power 4. Okay, so now you can write like this: 8I by r power 4 into L by T square. Okay, now here depending on the disk, you are going to take the moment of inertia, or if the disk is not there, if there is some rectangular bar, you will take the moment of inertia of that bar. Okay, so depending on the object that you are hanging, so that you are going to substitute here. So the thing is that this expression is going to give the rigidity modulus. This will give the rigidity modulus of a material. So which material you are considering, either the brass disc or the wire? The thing is that this is a material you are going to consider. The material which is in the form of wire. Okay, now here we are going to find the rigidity modulus of this material, not this particular disc. Okay, you are considering only the support here. You are going to get the torsion, okay, and the oscillations depending on the material which was hanged, or the object which was hanged. Okay, so this is the concept. I am repeating the important points. You are going to find the torsional pendulum as a topic. Okay, both the theory and applications under this topic. So regarding theory, you are considering a material. Okay, now the material examples are these. Now you are going to take a material in the form of wire of length L and some radius R, and you are going to place a disc or else some rectangular bar or any other material which have a some rectangle, I mean some definite shape should be there. Now here we are considering a disc here with some mass M and radius R. Now what you did here, you started with the application of twist, I mean the twisting couple here depending on the force, and here the second force which was opposite and equivalent to the first force. And due to this, what you can expect, the wire is going to experience a twist. Now due to the elasticity, you can expect that it is going to restore in the opposite direction. Okay, it will try to come back to the original position or the equilibrium position. Meanwhile, due to the disk, what happens, it will not come to the exact position, it will come to the other opposite direction also. So again this will continue. Okay, and due to that, what you can expect, there will be some oscillations going on, and these oscillations we are considering it as the torsional oscillations, and as a result the pendulum which we had constructed, we are labeling it as the torsional pendulum. Okay, now we are going to find the energies, potential energy and the kinetic energy. So potential energy is due to the angular displacement theta. Okay, and here kinetic energy is due to the disk that was hanged. So here I is the moment of inertia of that particular disk. Okay, the kinetic energy is expressed here, and here the potential energy. Now as both the energies are there, you are going to take the total energy. Okay, the summing of these two equations. Now according to law of conservation of energy, the total energy should be conserved, nothing but it should remain constant. So you wrote the resultant expression equal to constant. Now thereafter what you did, you are differentiating this equation with respect to time. Okay, now you take left hand side and right hand side. Now the right hand side is a constant, so if you differentiate this, you are going to get a 0 here. Okay, it will result in 0. Now regarding left hand side, after differentiation and rearrangement, you got the expression here, you got this expression here. Now where you wrote omega square as c by I. Okay, and you found omega equals to root c by I. Now thereafter you are getting the time period for oscillations or the torsional oscillations. by using this expression omega equals to 2 pi by t. Okay, just you are substituting omega here. Okay, thereafter rearranging, you are going to get the expression, and here capital C is the twisting couple that you got in the previous topic, and you are substituting this. Okay, and after modifying the expression here, you will get the expression for t square. Okay, now from this you are going to give the rigidity modulus, and this is the resultant expression for the rigidity modulus. So now here what you can conclude up to this part, in order to find the rigidity modulus, you need to find, okay, you need to find the I value. Okay, what is I here? It is a moment of inertia of the body that was hanged. Okay, and L is the length of the material, and R is the radius of the material. Okay, and T square, or the T, you can take it as T. Okay, T is the time period of oscillations, and you are going to squaring it. Okay, so these factors, if you know these factors, you will get the rigidity modulus of the material. Now any doubts? Tomorrow we will see about the applications of these the torsional pendulum. Any doubts? You can raise your hands. Okay, 101. Okay, I had unmuted you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Cheppamma.
Sir, omega square equal to C by I ఎలా అయింది సార్ అసలు?
ఓకే, అది యాక్చువల్గా డిరైవ్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ మనం డైరెక్ట్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం. ఆ డెరివేషన్ అంతా కూడా మీకు ఇరేజ్ చేసేస్తున్నాము. డైరెక్ట్ డిరైవ్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ తీసుకోండి,
ఓకే
లేదంటే అది కూడా మళ్ళీ ఒకటి రెండు టాపిక్స్ అవుతాయి మీకు, ఎక్స్టెండెడ్ అవుతా ఉంటుంది టాపిక్ అది.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, any more doubts? So why there are only 21 members? Okay, assignment after 2 or 3 classes I will try to give. After completion of second unit, so few more topics are remaining regarding bending. Okay, so after bending beams, okay, those concepts I would like to give the assignment. So meanwhile, you try to complete the notes. Today I am going to share few topics regarding our second unit. You try to complete your notes. So thereafter, after completion of the second unit, I will give the assignment. That's what I said. Till today, I will try to send the topics. Okay, completion of entire unit means it will take certain time.